Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Creating an Excel spreadsheet with internationalized Boolean values using Python and the xslxwriter library is a useful task, especially when dealing with multilingual data. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps to generate an Excel file with Boolean values, and we'll also demonstrate how to make it internationalization friendly. We'll assume that you've already installed the xslxwriter library. If you haven't, you can install it using pip. Now, let's get started with an example. First, import the xslxwriter library. To create an Excel workbook and worksheet, use the following code. We'll create a list of data that includes internationalized Boolean values. In this example, we'll use English and Spanish translations for true and false. You can add more translations as needed. Next, we'll define cell formats for different types of data. For Boolean values, we'll use a centered format. Now, we'll loop through the data and write it to the worksheet while applying the appropriate formatting. After adding the data, be sure to save the workbook. To make the Boolean values internationalized, you can define a dictionary that maps Boolean values to their translations. Here's an example for English and Spanish. Now, instead of directly writing the Boolean values to the worksheet, you can use this dictionary to look up the internationalized value for each Boolean. You can then write these internationalized values to the worksheet. Here's the complete code example that creates an internationalized Boolean Excel file. This code will generate an Excel spreadsheet with internationalized Boolean values for true and false in English and Spanish. You can extend this example to include more languages and translations as needed. ChatGPT.